Hello students, I will discuss today remaining exercise 7.1. Exercise 7.1. 10 questions are completed. Now look question number 11. A natural number has been divided into two parts in the ratio 7:11. If the difference of two parts is 20, find the number and two parts. Now look, two parts ratio is given 7:11. Right here solution. 7:11, right, multiplied by x. Difference is given 20. So right here difference 11x minus 7x. Difference is given 20 equal to 20. 11 minus 7x. 11x minus 7x equal to 4x. 20 x equal to 20 upon 4. 4 5 ja 20. X equal to 5. Right? Now first part 11x. Put the value of x. 11 multiplied by 5. 55. Second part 7x equal to 7 multiplied by 5. 35. And number is two broken part is given 11x plus 7x. It means 55 plus 35. 5 5 10, 5 3 8 and carry 1 9. 90 is the right answer, right? Now look question number 12. A certain sum of money has been divided into two parts in the ratio 9:13. If the second part is 260 rupees, find the total amount. Look this solution. A part and B part. Ratio is given 9:13 multiplied by x. If the second part is 260 rupees, second part is here 13x and second part is given 260. So write here 13x equal to 260. X equal to 260 upon 13. 13 2s. X equal to 20. Right? A certain sum of money has been divided into two parts in the ratio this. Now, by problem, total amount, first part, A equal to 9x, 9 multiplied by 20, 180, and second part, B equal to 13x, 13 multiplied by 20, 260. Total 9x plus 13x equal to 22x. 22 multiplied by 20, 440 rupees. Right? This is the total amount. Total amount 440 rupees. Right? Now look question number 13. A certain sum of money is divided into three parts in the ratio 5:7:8 ratio 5:7:8. If the first part is 225, find the total amount and other two parts. Look solution. solution, three parts. Let be A first part, B second part, C third part, right? Ratio is given 5:7:8 multiplied by x. First part is given 225. 225 by problem. Five x equal to, first part given 225. 225 x equal to 225 upon 5. 5 4s are 5 5s are. X equal to 45, right? Now second part, first part is given 5x 5 multiplied by 45 equal to 225. Second part B 7x 7 multiplied by 45. 7 5s are 35, carry 3. 7 4s are 28 and 3 31. 315. C 8x 8 multiplied by 45. 8 5s are 40, 8 4s are 32 and carry 4 36. Now total amount, second part is this and third part is this. This is your answer and total. 225, 315, 360. 5 5 10, carry 1. 2 1 3 and 6 9 and carry 1. 10, carry 1. 3 3 6 2 8 and 1. 9. 900. This is your next answer. Now question number 14. Divide 1312 rupees into 3 parts such that first is the 2/3 of second and the ratio between second and third part is 4:7, right? Look solution. Solution, let be first part is A, second part is B, third part is C. Ratio is given between second and third part 4:7, right? Now look, 3 parts such that first is 2/3 of second. First part 2/3 of second. Second क्या है 4. 4 2s are 8 upon 3, 4 upon 1, 7 upon 1. Now take LCM of 3, 1 and 1. 3 is the LCM. LCM 3 multiplied by 3, 8 upon 3 multiplied by 3, 4 upon 1 multiplied by 3, 7 upon 1 multiplied by 3. Now ratio is given 3 and 3 cancel. 8:12:21 multiplied by x, x, x. Now by problem, total amount is given 1312. By problem, eight x plus 12x plus 21x equal to 1312, right? 1 and 2 3, 3 and 8 11, 2 and 1 3, 3 and 1 4, 41x 1312. x equal to 1312 अपॉन 41। 41 से इसे कैंसिल करिए आप, 41 से ये 32 टाइम x equal to 32। now look first part, a equal to 8x, 8 multiplied by 32, 8 2 जा 16, 8 3 जा 24 and carry 1 25। b equal to 12x, 12 multiplied by 32, 12 2 जा 24, 12 3 जा 36 and 2 38। c 21x, 21 multiplied by 32, 21 2 जा 42, carry 4, 21 3 जा 63 and 4 67, right? This is your answer. Total amount, total 256 384 672, 6 and 4 10 and 2 12, carry 1, 8 7 15 5 20 and 1 21, carry 2, 2 2 4 4 3 7 7 and 6 30, right? Total, it means your answer is right. Next question, question 15. The ratio of the present ages of Anjali and Asu is 2:3. 5 years hence, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their present ages. Look solution. Anjali, right here Anjali, and right here Asu. Present is 2:3, right? 5 years hence the ratio of their ages will be, it means after 5 years, after 5 years it will be 2x plus 5 and it will be 3x plus 5, right? Their ages will be 3:4. It means 2x plus 5 upon 3x plus 5. It will be 3/4, right? Now cross multiply. 4 multiply 2x plus 5. 3 multiply 3x plus 5. 4 2 जा 8x, 4 5 जा 20, 3 3 जा 9x, 3 5 जा 50, x एक तरफ और विदाउट x दूसरी तरफ, ट्रांसफ़र 20 प्लस 15 को लेफ्ट साइड में ट्रांसफ़र करेंगे -15, 9x 8x राइट साइड में ट्रांसफ़र करेंगे -8x, 5x equal to 5, right? Now Anjali's present age, present age 2x, 2 multiplied by 5, 10 years. This is your first answer. Asu's present age it will be 3x. 3 multiplied by 5, 15 years, right? Next question. The present age of A and B are in the ratio 5:6. 3 years ago. 3 years ago, it means 3 years before. 3 years पहले. Their ages were in the ratio 4:5. Look this solution. A and B present age 5:7. 5x 6x. 5:6 is given 3 years ago. 3 years ago. It will be 5x minus 3. 6x minus 3. By problem, three years ago, their ages were in the ratio 4:5. 5x minus 3 upon 6x minus 3. Ratio is given 4:5. Now, cross multiply 5 multiply 5x minus 3. 4 6x minus 3. 5 5 ja 25x. 5 3 ja 15. 6 4 ja 24x. 4 3 ja 12. 25x minus 24x minus 12 plus 15. 25x minus 24x x. It will be 3. Now, present age of A is 5x. 5 multiplied by 3, 15 years, right? Present age of B is 6x. 6 multiplied by 3, 18 years, right? Next question, 17. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:6 when 2 is added to first and 3 is added to second. They are in the ratio 4:5. Find the numbers. Look solution. Two numbers, let be numbers are A and B. 5x and 6x. When 2 is added to first, 5x plus 2, and 3 is added to second, 6x plus 3, right? They are in the ratio 4:5. By problem, 5x plus 2 upon 6x plus 3, it will be 4:5. Cross multiply 5 multiply 5x plus 2. 4 multiply 6x plus 3. 5 5 ja 25x. 5 2 ja 10. 4 6 ja 24x. 4 3 ja 12. 25x minus 24x equal to 12 minus 10. X equal to 2. Now, find the numbers. A equal to 5x. It means 5 multiplied by 2, 10. B 6x, 6 multiplied by 2 12. This is your right answer, right? Next question 18. The ratio of number of boys to the number of girls in the school of 1430 students is 7:6. If 26 new girls are admitted in the school, find how many new boys may be admitted so that the ratio of number of boys to the number of girls may change to 8:7. First of all, look this solution. Boys, right here boys, right here girls. Ratio is given 7x 6x. You have to multiply it by x in the ratio which is given, right? Now टोटल स्टूडेंट, इट मीन्स बॉयज़ और गर्ल्स को मिलाकर के स्टूडेंट हैं कितने 1430. 7x प्लस 6x 1430. 13x 1430. x इक्वल टू 1430 अपॉन 13. 13 1 जा 13 1. Boys 7x, it means 7 multiply 110. 770 boys total. Girls 6x, it means 6 multiplied by 110, 660, right? Half question is solved. Now remaining question. If 26 new girls are admitted in the school, find how many new boys. Let be new boys admitted is x, right? By problem. By problem, boys, number of boys 770 plus x and 26 new girls, it means total number of girls 660. These numbers are old number, and 26 new admission plus 26 equal to, it will be 8:7. Cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. 770 multiplied by 7. 7 multiply 770 plus x equal to 8 multiply 660 plus 26, right? Now 0 7 7 जा 49, carry 4, 7 7 जा 49 and carry 4, 53 plus 7x equal to 8 6 6 and 2 8 and 6, 8 6 जा 48, carry 4, 8 8 जा 64 and carry 4, 68 carry 6, 8 6 जा 48, 48 and 6, it will be 54. 5390 plus 7x. 7x equal to 5488 minus 5390. 7x equal to 8, 18 minus 9, 9, 3 minus 3 0, 5 minus 5 0. X equal to 98 upon 7. 7 1 जा और 7 4 जा. X equal to 14. So 14 new boys admitted pen. New boys admitted is 40. This is your right answer, right? Next question, which ratio is greater? First one 5/6 और 6/7. आपको बताना है 5/6 and 6/7 which is greater ratio. So you have to take the LCM of 6 and 7. LCM 42. Now multiplied by 42. 5/6 multiplied by 42 or 6/7 multiplied by 42. 6 7s are 7 6 are. It will be 35 और 6 6 are 36. अब आप देखिए विच इज़ ग्रेटर, 36 इज़ ग्रेटर और 35 इज़ ग्रेटर. 36 इज़ ग्रेटर, इट मीन्स 6/7 is greater than 5/6. This is your answer. Now same in the second question, 13/24 or 17/32. You have to take the LCM of 24 and 32. LCM 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 6s are 2 6s are 2 8s are 2 3s are 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 3 1s are 3 2s are 6 6 2s are 12 12 2s are 24 24 2s are 48 48 48 2s are 96. So LCM is 96. 13/24 multiplied by 96 or 17/32 multiplied by 96. 24 4s are 13 4s are 52 or 32 3s are 17 3s are 51. You know 52 is greater, so 13/24 is greater than 17/32, right? And you can write this 13/24 is greater than 17/32, right? Similarly, you can write this 6/7 is greater than 5/6, right? Both are right. 20 question, increase the number of 150 in the ratio 5/7. Look this solution. increase the number of 150 in the ratio. It means question is this कि 150 में आपको इंक्रीज करना है. पहले रेशो 5 था, 5 से क्या करना है 7. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपका रेशो फर्स्ट टाइम कितना था 5, 5 से रेशो क्या हो गया 7. तो आपको लिखें 150. फर्स्ट टाइम कितना था 5, तो 5 नीचे और इट विल बी 7. 5 3 30 multiplied by 7, it will be 210, right? Next, second part. Solution. A man earns 18,000 per month. His income increase in the ratio 12:13. It means किसी व्यक्ति की इनकम 18,000 पर मंथ थी, अब उसकी इंक्रीज 12 रेशो था, यानी पहले 12 थी, 12 से रेशो क्या हो गया 13 हो गया. तो 18,000 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई पहले कितना था 12, अब कितना हो गया इंक्रीज हो गया 13. 12 1 जा 12, 12 5 जा 60. 1500 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 13, 13 0 0, 13 5 जा 65, 13 1 जा 13 and 6 90. It will be 19,500. Next, Savita weight 55 kg से reduce means उसने कमी की हर वेट इन द रेशो 11:9, यानी पहले 11 था, 11 से रेशो क्या हो गया 9 हो गया. सॉल्यूशन. 55 पहले रेशो 11 था तो 11, अभी क्या हो गया 9. 11 5 जा 5 इंटू 9, 9 5 जा 45 kg. न्यू वेट, हर न्यू वेट is 45 kg. Similarly, you can write here his new monthly income. His new monthly income 19,500 rupees, right? Thank you.